In 2026, the definition of a successful retirement has shifted. The allure of dense urban centers has been replaced by a search for metabolic and financial peace. Small-town America is no longer just a place to visit for nostalgia, it is the new retirement gold. These towns offer a rare combination of safety, low property taxes, and a community-driven lifestyle that larger cities simply cannot replicate. As healthcare and housing costs continue to fluctuate globally, these pockets of stability provide a sanctuary where your fixed income goes further and your day-to-day stress levels plummet. From the thermal belts of the mountains to the quiet plains of the Midwest, here are the top 10 small towns that are redefining the golden years in 2026. 1. Midland, Michigan. Midland has claimed the top spot for retirement in 2026 because it successfully balances corporate-level amenities with a low-impact, small city cost of living. Home to the corporate headquarters of Dow, the town benefits from a philanthropic legacy that has funded world-class parks like Dow Gardens and the Midland Center for the Arts. For retirees, the shocking truth is that despite its high-end cultural offerings, the housing market remains remarkably affordable. The city is engineered for safety and ease, with meticulously maintained public spaces and a robust healthcare system that specializes in geriatric care. In 2026, Midland is the gold standard for those who want a sophisticated retirement without the price tag of a major metro. 2. Weirton, West Virginia. Weirton represents the ultimate value play for retirees fleeing the high-tax environments of the Northeast. Tucked between Pittsburgh and the Ohio River, this town offers some of the lowest property taxes and utility costs in the nation. In 2026, it is celebrated for its gritty-to-green transformation, where former industrial sites have been repurposed into riverfront parks and walking trails. Weirton's appeal lies in its community resilience, neighbors know each other, and the pace of life is dictated by local festivals rather than traffic jams. For those seeking to preserve their nest egg while staying close to the cultural and medical hubs of Pittsburgh, Weirton is a strategic sanctuary of affordability. 3. Homosassa Springs, Florida. While the rest of Florida grapples with rising insurance premiums, Homosassa Springs remains a hidden gem of the Nature Coast. In 2026, it is the premier destination for the active, outdoors-focused retiree. The town is famous for its spring-fed rivers, manatee sightings, and world-class scalloping. Unlike the high-rise dominated coasts of Miami or Tampa, Homosassa offers a classic Florida feel with stilt houses and waterfront dining that isn't overrun by tourists. Its tax-friendly status, combined with a cost of living that is significantly lower than the Florida state average, makes it a top choice for those who want to spend their retirement on the water rather than in a high-traffic urban core. 4. Gregory, South Dakota. Gregory is the smallest town on our 2026 list, offering what experts call frontier security. With a population of just 1,200, it is the ultimate destination for retirees seeking a total disconnect from urban noise. South Dakota's lack of state income tax and inheritance tax is a major draw, but Gregory specifically wins on social connection. The town is built around a central park, a scenic 9-hole golf course, and an active community center where senior isolation is virtually non-existent. In 2026, Gregory is seen as a metabolic oasis, where the clean air, safe streets, and active hunting and fishing culture contribute to some of the highest longevity rates in the region. 5. Corning, Iowa. Corning is a masterclass in Main Street America preservation. In 2026, it attracts retirees who crave a sense of belonging and historical continuity. Famous as the birthplace of Johnny Carson, the town has maintained its 19th-century charm with a picturesque downtown lined with independent shops and bakeries. The secret to Corning's success is its cooperative spirit. The town operates with a high level of volunteerism and community support. Housing costs here are among the lowest in the Midwest, allowing retirees to live comfortably on Social Security alone. It is a place where unhurried conversations are the primary form of entertainment, making it the perfect antidote to the digital fatigue of 2026. 6. Tryon, North Carolina. Tryon is unique for its thermal belt weather phenomenon, which provides milder winters and cooler summers than the surrounding mountain regions. In 2026, this makes it a year-round sanctuary for retirees who enjoy gardening and outdoor activities but want to avoid the harsh extremes of the high country. Tryon has a long history as an arts and equestrian colony, giving it a cultured, bohemian-light atmosphere. While housing prices are slightly higher than some other small-town options, the quality. While housing prices are slightly higher than some other small-town options, the quality of life, measured by the clean mountain air, the thriving local theater, and the abundance of farm-to-table dining, is considered worth the premium. 7. Altoona, Pennsylvania. Altoona has emerged in 2026 as a healthcare hub for retirees who want small-town living with big city medical security. Located in the heart of the Alleghenies, the town is home to top-tier geriatric facilities and a burgeoning tech and medical research sector. Altoona offers a rugged beauty with its famous horseshoe curve and mountain vistas, but its true value is in its affordability. It consistently ranks as one of the most budget-friendly towns for retirees who still want access to rail travel and minor league sports. In 2026, Altoona is the choice for those who want to retire in a place that is economically revitalizing rather than stagnating. 8. Santa Rosa, New Mexico. Santa Rosa is a desert oasis that offers a surprisingly water-centric retirement. Famous for its Blue Hole, a 80-foot deep artesian spring, the town provides a unique mix of Route 66 nostalgia and scenic Pecos River views. In 2026, Santa Rosa is a top pick for extreme affordability, with median home values that are among the lowest in the Southwest. The dry, warm climate is ideal for respiratory health and joint comfort, attracting a population that enjoys desert hiking and fishing. It is a quiet, sun-drenched alternative to the crowded and expensive markets of Santa Fe or Albuquerque, offering a simpler, more affordable New Mexican lifestyle. 9. Pomeroy, Washington. Pomeroy is a Pacific Northwest sanctuary for those who want to avoid the rain and high costs of the Seattle metro area. Located in the southeastern corner of the state, it offers a high desert climate with stunning views of the Blue Mountains. In 2026, Pomeroy is recognized for its safety and solitude, with crime rates that are nearly non-existent. The town is a gateway to outdoor adventure, from boating on the Snake River to hiking in the National Forest. Because Washington has no state income tax, Pomeroy allows retirees to maximize their retirement account withdrawals while living in one of the most scenic and peaceful corners of the country. 10. Lynchburg, Virginia. Lynchburg rounds out our 2026 list as the historic academic town. With 7 colleges and universities in the area, the town offers a lifelong learning environment that is rare for a community of its size. Retirees can audit classes, attend university lectures, and enjoy a vibrant downtown filled with 19th-century architecture and boutique shops. Nestled at the foot of the Blue Ridge Mountains, Lynchburg provides easy access to the Blue Ridge Parkway and the James River. In 2026, it is seen as a balanced city, offering a rich cultural life and high-quality healthcare while maintaining the low-stress, friendly atmosphere of a much smaller town. Conclusion: why small towns are the future of retirement. In 2026, the trend is clear: quality of life is no longer tied to urban density. The most resilient retirees are those choosing small towns that prioritize financial stability, safety, and a deep sense of community. By buying low on these 10 towns, you are not just saving money, you are investing in a lifestyle that values human connection and natural beauty over the frantic pace of the big city. In 2026, the shift toward small-town retirement isn't just about saving money, it's about reclaiming your time and peace of mind. These 10 towns prove that moving away from big city congestion doesn't mean sacrificing culture, healthcare, or quality of life. Instead, it allows for a more intentional retirement where your environment actively supports your metabolic health and financial security. Ultimately, retirement gold is found in places where the community is tight-knit, the air is clean, and the pace of life allows you to actually enjoy the fruits of your years of labor. By choosing a small town that aligns with your passions, whether it's the mountain air of Tryon or the historic charm of Corning, you are future-proofing your golden years against the volatility of the 21st century. The move to a small town is the ultimate 2026 life hack, living larger by living smaller.